Welcome to Get Droid Tips YouTube channel. In this video, we will show you how to enable the developer option and activate the USB debugging on any Motorola device. Well, before following this guide, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more videos in the future. First of all, open Settings on your device. Scroll down and tap on About Phone. Scroll down and look for the build number option on your device. Now tap on the build number to enable the developer option. Once you see the "You are now a developer" toast message, you can go back. Tap System menu. Tap on the Advanced button. Here you will find a new menu called Developer Option. Open it. Scroll down and look for USB debugging. Enable the USB debugging and click OK to confirm. That's it, friends. I hope this guide was useful to you. Please like this video and hit the subscribe button to support us.